Hi everyone! For today's video, I will show you how to solve a limit of the given function. Okay, so let's solve the limit of x squared plus 6x plus 8 all over x squared plus 5x plus 6 as x approaches negative 3. So in this case guys, hindi tayo basta-basta nagsasubstitute dito, no? So kung pwede tayo mag-factor, so i-apply natin yon. And of course, yung mga natutunan natin sa algebra like factoring, so kailangan natin dito yun sa pag-solve ng limit. Okay? Actually, this is one of the topics sa grade 12, basic calculus. Okay, so let's do factoring. So how do we factor x squared plus 6x plus 8? We need to factor only the first term and then the last term, provided na makakapag-produce tayo ng 6x upon factoring. Okay? So maglagay tayo ng dalawang parenthesis dyan, guys. So factor ng x squared natin, of course, x times x. Kapag multiply natin yan, guys, babalik tayo rito x squared. Okay? So, ano ba yung mga factors ng 8? Of course, ang sagot doon ay plus 4 plus 2. Okay. Baka tanongin niyo ako, sir, pwede bang mauna yung 2 followed by 4? Yes, pwede yon. It doesn't matter kasi para silang positive. Okay? And then, kapag ito guys, pinag-multiply natin yan, babalik tayo dito. Kapag bumalik ka rito, ibig sabihin tama yung factor mo. Kapag hindi ka bumalik dito, ibig sabihin mali yung factors mo. Okay? And then, let's factor the denominator. So, same procedure. Maglagay ka ng dalawang parentheses. Factor ni x squared. Of course, x times x is x squared. And then, factor ng 6. Provided, dapat makapag-produce tayo ng 5x. So, plus 2 plus 3, right? Kapag ito minultiply natin, guys, or using FOIL method, magka-come up tayo sa x squared plus 5x plus 6. Okay. So, guys, dito, ano yung napansin nyo? Okay, tama. Meron tayong magkaparehas na term, no? Which is x plus 2. Yan. Okay, pwede tayong mag-cancellation. Okay, so we left by x plus 4 as your numerator and of course, x plus 3 as your denominator. Okay, so dito na tayo magsa-substitute. Okay, as x approaches negative 3. So, ibig sabihin guys, yung dito, yung x natin, gagawin nating negative 3. Okay, yung x nyo, gawin yung negative 3 And then, of course, hindi lang sa numerator, as well as the denominator. So, negative 3 plus 3. So, guys, kinukumpute natin dito yung limit. Kumbaga yung hangganan. Okay? So, negative 3 plus 4. Of course, the answer is negative 1, right? Rather, positive 1. Okay, kasi mas malaki nga pala to. And then, of course, negative 3 plus 3, the answer is what? 0, no? Kasi, additive inverse yan. So, guys, dito, yung denominator natin ay nag-0. So, yan ay undefined or does not exist. DNE. Ano ba yung DNE? Of course, does not exist. So, parang ano lang, yung crush mo lang, di ba? Okay, hanggang crush ka na lang. Kasi, hindi naman kayo nag-exist. So, does not exist. Okay, so I'm just kidding. Thank you for watching. If you like this video,